Good morning, friends. Welcome to goonlinetrainings.com. So, we were discussing yesterday how to share the content with end users, right? One is called we can do the basic sharing or direct sharing. So, where you have a workspace will have multiple reports, right? So, if you give the permission at the workspace level, you will be able to see the complete all reports in the workspace. That is one thing, right? But apart from that, you don't give any permission at the workspace level, but you are going to be sharing a report, single report. Okay. Or this can be a report or this can be a dashboard, right? This can be a report and this can be dashboard. So this is what is called as content. Content means what? Content means report and dashboards. If you wanted to give all reports and all dashboard, the better give the permission at the workspace level. So I don't want to give the permission at the workspace level. Still, I wanted to share my reports. Okay, so if that is the case, you can go to the report. You will be able to share. This is what is called basic sharing or direct sharing. Only single report or single dashboard can be accessed. Clear? And we had one more topic. Content pack was there. It is completely removed now. So people may ask you, do you know about content packs? You can tell them that. So it was there earlier, 2020 it got removed. I think 2019 or 2020 it got removed. It was there, but I never used it. So the next one is called app. What is the app? App means I told you, which is a box. You can create one app and we can keep some reports. I can keep this report. I can keep this dashboard. I can keep this again reports. So this I can share it to multiple people. So if you wanted to share all the reports, give the permission at the workspace level. Clear? But if you wanted to give a few reports and you can create a workspace, you can create an app. App is nothing but one collection of reports and dashboards, and this you can give it to multiple people. So this you can also give it to multiple people, but only one report you can share at a time. But here you can share multiple reports. But only thing is that one workspace can have only one app. So that is what is called app. So how to create an app, how to publish an app, how to put the theme and everything we discussed. And we can have dashboard. We can also have the reports, and we can also have some kind of a documentation, right? So that is what is called apps. So the next one is called subscriptions. Subscriptions means I have the report, but this report needs to be delivered via email automatically. I don't want to send this report manually, right click share, right click share, right click share. I don't want to do that. So I wanted to give one email and I wanted to tell the time slot. Time slot means every day, morning or weekly once, or every month first, morning 6 o'clock, midnight 1 o'clock. So you have to know for whom you need to send this report automatically, when you wanted to send, and what is the format in which the end user needs the report. End user may ask you, I need a report in PDF format. I need the report in Excel format. I need the report in CSV format. I need the report in image. Clear? Image means a photo format like that. So what is that? How is that the end user wanted to have the report in his email? Clear? So when he needs, who he needs, and which report he needs. I wanted to have this report only. Clear? So this is what is called creating a subscription report delivery on schedules. So on schedule based. Clear? You need not send the report automatically. When the time comes, it is going to be creating a report and sending the report to them end user. So this is automatic distribution. For example, every month first, you will be able to get a postpaid, phone bill. How the postpaid phone bill is going to be coming, which is called a paginated report. Paginated report means you will have a multiple pages, and paginated reports are nothing but your table report. Clear? Paginated reports are called as your table reports. The best example is called what? Your postpaid phone bill. You will get 3 to 4 pages. and daily how many calls you made and when did you make, and everything will be there. What is the current amount you need to pay and what is the due date, blah, blah, blah. So like that, credit card bills are also called as a paginated reports. You will have pages. So it is not a single page, 3 to 4 pages will be there. Paginated reports are going to be created, and much more time you will be able to schedule them manually. You are not going to be sending a report saying that this is your previous month phone bill, this is the last month credit card bill. So nobody is sitting idle or nobody sitting in the bank and nobody will be sending these reports. These are called either Power BI reports or SSRS reports. Clear? So Power BI is good at creating a lot of beautiful dashboards and visualizations. More visualizations, Power BI is good. But SSRS is also one more reporting tool. It is very, very good at creating a paginated reports. Paginated report means lot of tabular reports. Not, you don't have 200 plus visualizations in SSRS, right? So Power BI has many visualizations. SSRS, people may ask you, do you know SSRS? Do you know Power BI? People may ask you. So the difference between SSRS and Power BI, Power BI is good in creating dashboard, but these dashboard options are not available in SSRS. SSRS is good in creating a paginated reports. Paginated reports means a tabular table reports, and it will have multiple pages. But Power BI is not so good in that. Clear? And SSR reports are completely a technical developers can create. It is not a self-service BA. So definitely you have to know SQL. You have to know MDX languages to create SSRS. SSRS is completely a technical oriented technology. But whereas Power BI self-service BI, that means any non-technical people also can get the data using Excel and can create a beautiful and basic reports with the help of a Power BI. Clear? So, and in SSRS, we can also create subscriptions. So SSRS means SQL Server Reporting Services. Even Power BI has a subscriptions. Automatically, you will be able to deliver the reports. If you wanted to deliver the reports, you have to know who needs this report, when he needs the report, and in what format he needs the report. You have to know, so that you will be able to create a subscription. Yeah, am I clear? It is compulsorily the interview question. So you have to go to app.powerbi.com and you need to log in to your workspace. I wanted to take uh, one dashboard or one report. When you go to content, you will be able to get your reports and click on this report, and you will be able to go to edit. You will be able to go to edit. There is a subscribe. Have you seen this? So this report I wanted to subscribe. So this report I would like to subscribe. You have to go to edit and click on dot subscribe. When you click on this, add new subscription. There is no subscription is there. Click on add. So you have to say which page you would like to send it. I wanted to run means immediately this will go. So subscribe to whom? Pankaj, or I wanted to give it to, for example, one more guy. So PBI user. So lot of things are not working properly now. 45. So we are not able to use this, but we can use the email IDs here. And subject, what is the report name? You can say report name is called, let us say this is what is called sales report, and including some option. Hi there, please find attached sales report. Regards, BI team. Okay. So page number 1 get attached and come down. Okay. When you come down, you will be able to get the frequency. When is that you wanted to have? Hourly, I want to send the report, daily, weekly, monthly. So you may give every 1 hour, or daily, you can give the report morning at, let me say, 6 o'clock. Morning at 6 o'clock, you can create a report, and based on your time and starting from today, and the date is not there, permission to access the report, link, blah, 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 save and close. That's it. So this is how you will be able to create a subscription. Clear? The page number 1 report and entire report will be taken, and it is going to be attached as a PDF format, and that report will be given to you. So like that, you will be able to go to your reports. For example, this is my report here. Now Anita has created some report. I wanted to subscribe this report. Where you need to go? You have to go here. So page number 1, we have some reports, and page number 2, you have some reports, and you can simply go click on subscribe, add new subscription. Which page you would like to give? Page number 1. Run means immediately it is going to go, right? So you will be able to get the email messages as well saying that your report is available, so that you can see it and subject and everything. So when you come down, daily, monthly, weekly, when is that you would like to have? Weekly. But I need it only on the Monday and Thursday and Friday. And these timings, so midnight, I wanted to have midnight 12:30 a.m. and starting from today, and save. So you will be able to get automatically email messages, and this report also will get attached. Yeah, am I clear? So like that, creating a subscriptions is very, very simple. Which page you wanted to send, you have to go and click on subscribe. You will be able to get the report. Yeah, am I clear? So this is what is very, very important, and you will be able to easily get these reports. Yeah, am I clear? So, but only thing is that, so all these things you will not be able to do in the company. Why? Because you are not the a admin guy. So normally there are two teams. One is called a developers team. You will have a Java developer, you have a .NET developer, you have SAP developer, you have SQL developer. So all you have BI developer. All these people are developers. So we are going to come 9 to 5 jobs. Clear? We are going to go to the office 9 to 5 or 9 to 7. If the work is more, 9 to 9 also. Developers. One more team is called admin team. Clear? So admin team where you have a database administrators and networking people. Networking people means what? So they'll take care of hardware networking, hardware guys. All these people are called as admin guys. Clear? Database administrator. We are not administrators. We are database developers or SQL developers, right? So we will be having 9 to 5 jobs. This is one set of a team is going to be working for the company. Then one more team is called admin team. So who will be taking care of completely administration, networking, hardware. So when you go to app.powerbi.com, what you normally do, you will be able to deploy a report. You create a report in your computer. You will be able to deploy the report to the uh, this one, right? app.powerbi.com. But this one you are going to be creating for, let us say, Amazon company. You are going to be creating this report for Amazon company. Now Amazon has thousands of employees for whom you wanted to share the reports and you wanted to give permissions and everything. So that as a developer you cannot handle the task, because morning to 5 you are busy creating the reports. You are not there, to give the permissions to delete. So these requests completely will be going to the which team? Admin team, especially DBA team. Clear? So you will be able to know Power BI, how to create a report, deploy a report. But normally, giving the permissions and taking care of all these things will not be handled by the development team. You will be able to create a report, and after that, you will be able to give the report to the DBA team. So DBA team will handle from there, giving the access to the entire public and whatever they wanted to have, because 9 to 5 jobs you are, because midnight this guy will be there. These people are working 24 by 7 and 365 days these people are going to be working. So midnight, early morning, every time these people are going to be there, but you're not going to be there Saturday, Sunday, but these people will be there. You are not going to be there after 7 o'clock in the evening, but these people will be there. Clear? So permissions and everything, 24/7 access issues has to run. So 9 to 5 people cannot do those kind of a jobs. So once you create a report, so what normally we do, we create a workspace. We create a workspace called Amazon Amazon_dev. So you're going to be keeping all the reports here, and it is a development environment. Clear? So we will be able to have Amazon development environment. You create a workspace, so you will be deploying and everything here. So this is for you to check whether everything is properly working or not. So you need to keep one workspace and check it there. Then we will create, one more workspace here. So this will be called as completely Amazon. So Amazon sales report. Actually, if everything is working here, what you do, you take this report and you will also deploy this report here. So this is the final report. Clear? You create a report in your Power BI desktop. After that, this is what is called a production environment. Production means you don't have any permissions on your report. You are going to be publishing your report to where? A workspace called Amazon Dev. Dev means all the developers can access, all developer can see everything is, all reports are working fine or not. If everything is working fine, so what normally you do? Not you, your DBA team will take the report, or any other team, admin team will take the report, they will make it to public. Public means the original, the Amazon guys are going to be seeing. So, but you are going to be working in the which environment? Development environment. Development environment means you go to app.powerbi.com, you create a workspace called Amazon Dev. So you are some, 5 guys who are working. Always you create the report and you do it here. Tomorrow, if says that this report is not working properly, so you cannot directly go here and check, right? Because you don't have the permission. But the same report is available here. You go there and verify and check whether it is working fine or not. Then you will ask the DB team, what is the problem? Send me the screenshot. Why? And users are not able to access. I don't know, because you will not be able to get any issues because you don't have any permission on this folder. You can access. So always people may ask you a question. If you get any error in the app.powerbi.com, how do you resolve it? You don't resolve it. Clear? Because you don't know that some problem is occurring for the end users. So there is a production team or the DBA team will get notified first. And after that, there is one more team, not this team. There is one more team. This team, a technical team. These are production support team. These people will have the permissions on this. They will be able to, tackle. So much more time you are going to be dealing with development environment where you have access to this folder, but you will not be able to have the access to this folder. Am I clear? So always you maintain 2 folders. One folder is for the developers. You check everything there. Once everything is ready, you take the report and you can move it here. Or they will ask, give me the PBX file. You will be able to give the PBX file so that the admin people can move the PBX file. So it is also available here. It is also available here. So that is how the companies are going to be working. Clear? So you never say that, you have a permission on the real data sets. You never load the data. You never access the real-time report because you're a developer. So developers will have the access on the development environments and development folders. Okay. I would have talked about, what is a development environment and what is a testing environment, right? And what is a prod environment in the SSIS classes. You will be able to understand clearly in SSIS. I spoken about. So always a developer will have a different machine. Developers will have different folders, and a developer cannot go to a prod. Prod means where the original reports are available. These are separate machines and these are separate access privileges. Since we have only app.powerbi.com, we don't have any prod, we don't have it here, but you can create 2 folders. One is called Amazon Dev, one is called Amazon Sales, Amazon Prod. Prod means the final reports are going to be there. So you can have any other report. All the reports you can also have it here. and test it, and after that you will be able to move that there. Clear? Either you move or the admin people will come and they will be able to move it. Clear? So end of the day, admin team will be managing the production servers. Admin means I'm talking about DBA, networking, all the people are going to be maintaining production servers. Developers are going to be having the permissions on the development servers. You cannot directly go to this server. If there is a problem here, how do you handle? Means you cannot handle because you don't have where is this folder and you don't have any access, right? So who will inform you? Always DBA people will tell you there is a problem. So they will know your email IDs and everything. Hey developer, this is the issue we are getting. Please send the screenshot. This is reported by one of the customer from England. So this report is not working fine. Now, again, you need not respond again to give the reply. There is one more team called, that is also Power BI development team only. These people are called as, production support people. Production support means after deploying, people are using reports and they may get small issues. Somebody has to resolve, right? Say, for example, you bought a TV, you will be able to get some small repairs and maintenance team will come. You report call center saying that my TV is not working. I bought 1 month back, 2 months back, right? So who manufactured? Manufacturing is done in the factory, right? So development means it is a factory. It is a factory where all the people are technicians. So development is a factory. So you create thousands of reports or thousands of TVs, you test it and you sell it. After selling means it is there in the production. Production means you got the TV, it is not working today. So nobody is going to be come from the factory. So do you think that factory people will come to your place? Factory people will not come to your place. So only the maintenance people are going to be coming. So that is what is called support guys. So maintenance support guys will come. You call center, my TV is not working, my refrigerator is not working. There is a maintenance guy is going to come. That guy is not part of the factory, but it is a maintenance guy. So those people know about the fridge and everything. So these people are called production support people. They will come to your home and they will repair. Madam, this part is gone, this is gone, that is gone. And they will be able to, come to you. So factory means a development. People are called factory outlet people. You will be working inside the factory. The factory is called development. You always in the factory, you never ever go to the production. You don't have any permission. You don't get any complaints. Always complaints will go to the call center. So from the call center, people will be creating a ticket and the ticket will be given to this technician. He will come, madam, your ticket has been assigned for me and I got to know that your TV is not working. What is the problem? So from when it is started, so based on that, they will see the TV, they will rectify. These people are called as production support people. We are called as factory, guys. We are going to work in the factory. Our factory is called as a development environment. Am I clear? So that is what. So if you get any kind of an issues in the real time, you never ever know what is the issue. Always it will be reported to the call center or it will be repeated to the DBA team. If the DBA team can, give some kind of a solution, means they can give. Otherwise, they will be able to allocate the ticket to these people. These people will be resolving the issue and they will be able to see what can be done. Am I clear? So all these things you have to know clearly, right? So people may ask you, some project related issues, right? So tell me some challenges which you faced in the project. So for that, you have to do end-to-end projects. You will get many challenges. From every cycle, there is a challenge. Compulsorily, everybody has to do that. And you will be able to easily, understand the issues you're getting. And every issue you capture, you repeat the same issue. This is the issue, I got it. And this is the solution, I have made it, right? So like that, you need to tell. So what are the challenges? Now tell me, what is the data warehousing size? So you can tell them that 5 terabytes or 10 terabytes, whatever it is. Then tell me architecture about your data warehouse. Then tell me which are the tables you're going to be loading first and why. What is the dimension table? What is the fact table? Now tell me one SSIS package from starting to end. Tell me one report you have created in your project from starting to end. So how did you get the data? Did you get the data from the data warehouse using a stored procedure? If yes, tell me one stored procedure you have created on your own from starting to end. All these things are going to be asked in the interview. To crack this kind of interview, real-time questions, you will be able to go and implement end-to-end the project. So you will be able to get one free project along with the data warehousing. People who do not have data warehousing videos, you have to call this guy saying that you're from July batch. One guy can call, not everybody. I need a data warehousing videos for July batch. Clearly, you need to mention. Even August people need it, you can ask them. So we're from August batch. I need the data warehouse videos to be loaded. There are 7 videos are there. 7 to 10 videos are there. Very, very good videos. You don't get in-depth of explanation in the data warehousing as well elsewhere. You compare, we are giving very in-depth of, what is a data warehouse. Data warehouse means which is a large database, read-only database, where you can have a company historical data. From there, I would have given dimension of fact tables, dimension, different types of dimension tables, fact tables, schemas, and lot of things I have explained with real-time examples. And I have given one project also here. The project name is called Amazon. But to start, okay, to start end-to-end project, compulsorily you have to know SSIS. Clear? To do this Amazon project also, you have to know SSIS. Clear? So this is a free project. And after data warehousing and SSIS, and you can do one end-to-end project. Clear? So this project also needs SSIS, but at least you can watch data warehousing first, whatever be the project that is there here, so that you can learn after SSIS is over. SSIS, we have some 45 videos are available. Please, we don't have any live classes for SSIS now, but you will get some offers, right? So July batch people or August batch people, you buy, and when the offer comes, and take the videos and practice them. And SSIS is mandatory, and you will be able to complete SQL and Power BI. Power BI, don't learn all the topics. One is called DAX. The second one is called Power BI service. You need to practice only 2 topics. Remaining, just, nice to have. Practice once and leave it. The next one is called data warehousing. All the videos, 7 to 10 videos are available. You watch SSIS again, complete 25 classes are important. So 10 classes are very, very basic. 10 classes are very, very basic. And remaining 15 classes are very, very advanced level. This you have to know clearly. If SSIS 50% over means, you can start the end-to-end project. Okay. If you complete minimum some 10 to 15 classes got over means, immediately you start, SSIS without a fail. Don't tell me that, sir, I did not take this. Okay. Because if you don't take this, I don't have any problem, right? I don't have any problem whether you take or you don't take, but definitely you cannot crack the interview forever. You cannot crack the interview forever. So SSIS is mandatory, end-to-end project is mandatory, so that you will be able to finish all the learnings with one project. This will be paid project, and one more project for the free project. So this will come along with the data warehouse. Clear? So SSIS is a prerequisite to learn end-to-end project. In this, we have stored procedures also. You will be writing complex stored procedures, complex SSIS reports. You create, data warehousing. And in this, you will be able to see how to create a multi-dimensional cube, right? So that is also I spoken about. In this, you have SSRS report. If you don't know SSRS, you remove this and create all the reports with what? Power BI. That's it. So remaining things are as it is. You don't know SSRS, right? Requirement, I would have explained in that PPT. You convert all SSRS reports into Power BI. So, and deploy these reports to your app.powerbi.com. So all things are going to be there in this. So don't ignore it. Clear? So don't ignore it. We have row level security, so that I could not complete. So this video I'll be posting today. You please watch it. And if you have any questions, you will be able to write a mail to me, or you can also give the phone number. If you have anything, I can also call you and explain if you have any discussions. This is very, very simple. Row level security means very, very simple. I have some data. For example, you have some sales data, say city called A, and sales happening from city called A. This sales happened to come city called B, and there is a sales happened city called B, right? So Ravi or John is in charge of A city. Clear? And one more manager, let us say his name is called Peter. Peter is in charge of B. Clear? So he is working for a city called A. Sales. This city manager is John. This city manager is this guy. So when he get the sales report, this is the sales report, right? When I give this report to him based on his city, based on his city. So what is the sales of this city? 10 plus 20. He will be able to get A sales is 30. So you are going to be applied the filter based on your role. This guy is assigned to this city. This city will get mapped to here so that he will be able to see always his data. Now, this city is mapped to this as a filter. This is what is called row level security. Row level based on the city, it is going to be filtering the data. This guy, when he logs in, he will be able to see his sales is B city and 5 plus 15, this one. So I have the complete sales data here. And based on the city, I wanted to give the security. Clear? So I wanted to apply the filter based on where is he working. Clear? So this is what is called row level security. If this John is working for A city, he will be able to get 10 and 30, not this data. If this guy is working for a B city, he will be able to get 5 and 15. How to handle this is what is called a row level security. Clear? Not a complete sales report this fellow can see, not the complete sales report he can see, only his city's sales only we're able to show. Whenever he logs in app.powerbay.com, he will be able to see only his city's sales, not other cities' sales. Clear? The data will get filtered based on his role. Clear? So that is what is called row level security. The filters are going to be applied for each row. Is it A? Yes. Is it A? Yes. Is it A? No. Is it A? No. So it is going to be filtering. Row level security. It is going to be applied on the each row of the data. Clear? So if you're a part of India, you will be able to get the India sales. If you're a part of America, you will be able to see the sales of America. That is what is called row level security. Very, very easy, not at all complex. I will be able to share those videos today so that you can complete and you prepare a CV. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, especially July batch for attending my classes. And it was fun, teaching. And end of the day, if you don't practice anything, it is of no use. Even though teachers are very good, mentors are very good, if you don't, follow the proper practice, proper instructions, then end of the day, nothing can happen, right? You're going for the treatment to the doctor. Doctor is giving medicines and is telling you to do something, but you are not following anything. End of the day, you write a comment is that doctor is not so good. Clear? If the doctor is not so good, everybody has to die, not only one guy, right? So end of the day, what happens is that even though I give everything, if you don't practice properly, and getting the job is very, very difficult. Clear? You have to practice, and including end-to-end project, you take time. You may take 1 more month time, and you complete the project, and after that you ask for the interview questions and all. Already we have given. If you don't have in the interview questions and all, and you will be able to ask Avinash. You have Avinash number, right? So this number will be You can just call them anytime. You will be able to get all interview questions. Tell me about your project. Tell me about your CV. Tell me about your challenges. Tell me about, the size of the data warehouse. And tell me your notice period. Tell me about that. Tell me about that. Everything I have recorded. So I will be able to give you, and how to prepare a CV also. I have a lot of videos got created. I think I've shared. If not, I'll be asking Avinash to share it in the portal so that you will be able to have them, and you can get it. Am I clear, guys? So if not, I will be able to share right away to you so that you will be able to, use these things, and you can practice all interview questions and everything. That is what is very, very important, guys. So interview questions and all. So 90% of the interview questions are going to come from my topics only. You cannot uh, leave this and go to the YouTube. First, learn this perfectly, then you will be able to get. So I'll be sharing all the interview questions, and these things you will be able to share in the respective groups of Telegram. I think it is. So let me share one by one. Okay. So all these are available. SQL Server interview questions, MSBA, Power BI, lot of things are there. You put them in the Telegram group so that people who missed today's class, they will be able to get, and how to prepare a CV. Everything is there. So if you need the sample CVs and everything, you request Avinash and they will be able to give you. So lot of interview questions I have prepared. I'm giving you, practice them and put all these links in the where Telegram group, guys. Clear? So never think that this is the last class for you. Anytime you're feeling negative or if you need any help, be are there. Especially I am there till you get a job. Clear? So you're welcome always. And you have these numbers, right? This is Madhav sir number and this is Avinash number. And if you want me to talk to you personally, anytime you can just write me a mail with your phone number. And if you don't get any reply from me, don't mind, please remind me once again, because I'll be getting, lots of mails every day. Sometimes I may skip one or two things. Clear? So don't think otherwise. So please remind me so that you will be able to easily get into IT. Clear? So people are saying recession comes, this comes. So I had seen in my life a lot of recessions. Okay. But I never fallen, because always whenever you get a time, you upgrade yourself. Skills are important always. Recession, ups and downs will be there every time. So that you cannot control. So what is that you can control? Learning and upgrading, learning and upgrading. Clear? So that is what is important, which you cannot control. So forget about it. Which you can control, always focus on it. So I joined in IT industry in year 2000. So immediately there was a twin towers crashed in America. There was a recession, first recession in my life. Clear? And after that, in 2009, big recession. In that time, even I lost my job. So I lost my job for 1 year, but I never, think bad about it. One thing is that, that during one year, I was learning a lot of other courses. I was learning core Java, advanced Java. I was learning C Sharp.net, VB.net, lot of other skills, HTML, XML, lot of things I was simply learning. I don't need all of them because I'm from the database development and BA team. So I don't know about Java and everything. So even today, I'm not very good in Java, but still I know what is a Java and everything. I used to learn all of them. So 1 year again, I got the job. I got the job in Patni Computer Chennai in 2009. I got the job. 2008 or 9, I lost the job. And 2010, I think I got the job in Patni Computers, Chennai. My family is in Hyderabad. I used to go to Patni Computers and work there. And after that, 1 year I worked there. So I got a job in Accenture in Hyderabad. Straight after that, Microsoft. So everybody will have recessions, because the recession is not only for Bhaskar Jogi, recession is for Bill Gates also. So recession is for all over the world. So which you cannot control, and you should not be worried about it. Clear? So that time many people told me IT is bad here, IT is bad. Take mechanical, take BA, MBA. So those people who took MBA mechanical, now they are thinking that we made a mistake, right? Now those people are getting less salaries. Now IT is booming. Today, people are saying IT is again down. So every time people will say the common dialogue, IT is down, recession, IT is down, recession, no calls. That you cannot control. If you cannot control, don't worry about it. So many people are going to keep thousands, crores, and billions of dollars into IT industry. They wanted to run the business. See, think about Wipro, think about Infosys, think about a lot of other companies. Why is that they're doing only IT business? If the IT industry is down, they need to close their business and start some other business, right? Why are they not closing? Why Bill Gates is not closing even the recession comes? Why? Because every business will have ups and downs. They never closed, right? So a lot of recessions Microsoft would have seen, lot of recessions Wipro would have seen, right? So those people are always rich, not done anything. So they're not closed anything yet. Clear? So only we are worried more and more, saying that recession, I don't get a job. So before you closing, you ask Wipro to close, because recession, right? You need to advise them, hey, you close Wipro, you close Infosys, then you get out of the IT industry. So people will not do that. People will say, one company is removed 30 guys, one company is removed 20 guys. My friend told me, so I am not going to the IT. So I will start my sales job. I will start my some other job. So if you be there in the sales, I don't mind. But if you get good amount, that is fine. But if you don't get good amount, then again you have to be in the IT industry. Clear? So earning for see, if you have more money, you can support your family more and more, right? If you have less salary, what is that you support? Nothing. If you earn 30,000 rupees, you give 5,000 rupees to your mother and father. But if you earn 1 lakh, you will be giving 20,000 rupees to your mother and father. If you earn 1 crore, you will be able to give 30 lakhs to your mother and father, right? End of the day, we need more money to take care of ourselves and our families. Remember that. You are not going to be giving the money to me, right? So my friend told me not to do this. My friend told me not to do this. My brother told me not to do this. So how many times you say the same dialogue? And end of the day, you blame others, right? How many days you will repeat the same dialogue? My friend told, my friend told, my friend told. So listen to the gurus, listen to the mentors, listen to the take the proper guidance, and you fail. You don't get the calls, you fail. Everybody, even you ask Chiranjeevi, Balakrishna, everybody will say that I don't have the initial stages, I don't have a jobs, I don't have cinemas. But today they don't have a dates. Clear? So everybody will have the same story, not only IT industry. But are we ready for that? We are not ready. That is, we always need some mayas and mantras. Everything should happen within 20 days, right? That is what is the problem with us. Otherwise, we will believe to some other nonsense. People will say, you buy this ring, you will get a job in within 1 month. You go there, you will be able to get. So all these things will not work until and unless if you have proper knowledge. Yeah, am I clear? So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we don't have any classes. And thanks a lot, guys, especially July. Those people are going to go. From Monday, I am not going to start DAX because I wanted to combine the September batch and this batch. So it will a whole week. Next week, you don't have any classes, guys. Okay. So next whole week, you don't have any classes. So next whole week means one. Till what time? So 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30. Okay. So it will be holidays for Navaratri festival. You enjoy. And Saturday, Sunday, we don't have. So the next class will be on Monday. Clear? So that will be on October 3rd. October 3rd, we are going to be starting a DAX. Clear? So for the August batch and September batch also is going to start. So morning 7 o'clock we'll be having. Next whole week you don't have any classes. Clear? So July batch, guys, don't think that the batch is over, the learning is over. Until and unless you get a job, the learning is not yet complete. Clear? So it is always a pleasure having you guys here. So end of the day, even though the teacher is very good, even though I am teaching very, very well. But if you don't practice and if you listen to the, the other fools, then you will become a fool. I'm telling you. Clear? So, which you cannot control, you should not be worried about it. Which you can control, you have to be worried about it. Clear? So, you need to get minimum 10 lakhs of salary package. If you have 10 years of career gap or 15 years of career gap, you can tell them that first 6 years I was into sales and repeating, I was creating a lot of reports in Excel to my boss. Now, last 4 years, I started working with SQL and, Power BI and SSIS in my company. And I'm good in, Power BI and SSIS. Your designation will be account manager. Doesn't matter. Your designation will be constable. Doesn't matter. I got a constable 5 years back. I trained him. You know what is he doing? He is in a home guard, not constable. His designation is a home guard. He will get the crime data. He will be able to create a lot of reports in Excel and sending the reports to the government of Telangana and government of India. So what is the designation? Home guard. Home guard or the constable, a contract employee. But that guy is a BSc mathematics guy and creating a lot of reports. 3-4 years back, he came to me. One police people only came to me directly. Sir, we wanted to have the training. I told, I asked why. Sir, we wanted to create a lot of crime reports and using Power BI and SSRS. So they took the training and after that they left the home guard job also because they will pay contract jobs 20-30,000 rupees with the same home guard designation. Those people got into IT. So designation doesn't matter. Your skill matters. Clear? Even though you have 3 lakhs of salary currently, you work for 10 years, you have a 3 lakhs per annum. If you have a PF account, if you have a bank statement, use as it is, and you can clearly mention that currently I'm working for last 10 years, I'm working for so and so company, and 6 years I was into admin role or Excel, and last 4 years completely into IT, and my current salary package is 3.5 lakhs, but I am expecting 10 lakhs of salary package. Then the HR will ask you why, right? You ask them why. I cannot ask because my friends from same 3 lakhs package, they've got 10-12 lakhs, other companies are giving me. So definitely I wanted to have. Then they'll say, according to the IT industry standards, we cannot give you more than 30% of the hike on the existing salary. All these are bullshit. No IT industry is written like that. No Bill Gates is written like that. It is completely nonsense. You can tell them that if that is the case, that's your problem. Definitely, I will not going to be, join for 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs. Clear? You should also not join the, go for less salary. Don't join for less salary. I'm telling. Minimum you ask 10 lakhs, right? One guy came from Nagarjuna Constructions, NCC, and his salary is 3.7. Then he has given couple of interviews. One company told, according to you, blah, 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 we'll give you 6 lakhs. Then I told, sir, I got the offer for 6 lakhs. You want me to join? No, I said no. He got one more salary package for 8 lakhs. Then I said no, you don't join. He was worried. Sir, if I don't get any jobs, Array, you're able to crack 2 interviews. Why to worry? The next job, he got 10 lakhs with Aditya Birla, Mumbai company, working from home. He's from Bhimwar. So that guy called me the other day. Because of you only, sir, I got the at least, I have asked this much of salary. Now this guy is getting 10 lakhs. After working for 6 months, the CEO of the company came and asked, hey, Satish, you're doing very fantastic. Or this fellow came from construction industry for last 5 years. Same papers, same thing we have used. So he was telling I was into construction field, but we'll get a lot of construction data. And I used to create a lot of reports. What is the material procurement, inventory, and how much we have consumed. And we'll get Nagarjuna Constructions will be getting a lot of government projects. They'll be constructing bridges and cables, a lot of electrical wires and everything, right? So we did not change anything. Simply same thing. Only we have told in the interview, I am into Nagarjuna Constructions, getting 3.7 lakhs of salary and working in as a a report developer. Designation is also some research manager, something like that. Clear? Or some construction manager, something like this. So that guy got 10 lakhs in Aditya Birla. The manager came, hey, Satish, you got very less salary. Immediately he got 13.5 lakh salary package. See, 3.7 lakh salary package to he got now 13.7 lakh salary package. Within 6 months, he works for Aditya Birla, Mumbai. Clear? So one girl, Swapna, she, her husband is getting 4.5 lakh salary per annum. Very, very little salary. And she was thinking, if I get another 10,000 rupees per month for my family, that is more than sufficient. Okay, if I get extra 10,000 rupees for my family, that is more than sufficient. She's from Odisha. Odisha she's from. And one day she, she got, she, seen my videos on YouTube. Immediately she contacted us and joined the company. She joined the course and she completed. Now she got two offer letters. One is with the 16 lakhs salary package. The other one is with 18 lakhs of salary package. Now she called me and cried, sir, I was thinking if I get 10,000 rupees per month for my salary, I think I would support my family. But now I got 16 lakhs and one more 18 lakhs for Hyderabad companies. And I am not from very reputed institution. I'm not also from Hyderabad. I'm from Orissa. Clear? From Bhubaneswar or some Khadak or Kharagpur, that area, from Barampur. So she is working from home now, getting 18 lakhs. And what she has done. So first, after getting the first month salary, she paid 25,000 rupees to us, and she is sponsoring one more, a guy who cannot pay the fee. Right? He told, sir, I wanted to sponsor one guy who cannot pay, amount to the, your course, because your course is good. I wanted to pay for one guy. So she paid 25,000 rupees and sponsored, one guy for the next month course. Like that, people are getting more and more job opportunities. So whatever the problem you have, same problems I have. If the recession's for you, recession also for me. If you think that SQL Server is complex to you, it is also complex for me. But how we can come out, how we can practice, how we can improve, right? So it depends upon how you think. If you think that IT industry is bad, that is also right. If you think that IT industry will give me more opportunity, that is also right. If you think that you're only not getting calls, it is true. Everybody is not getting it. If you think that you will get a call, definitely will get a call. So however you think, the same way you behave. Clear? So don't worry about if you don't get a call for 1 month. Definitely you have to come to me and you need to write a mail if you have any concerns. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. You have to, if you wanted to talk to me by giving your phone number. And if I don't call you, remind me, I will talk to you. Whatever be the reason I have, whatever be the, this one you have, question you have, please, raise a concern. I will be able to call you and talk to you so that you should not have any negative impact on your studies. Okay. End of the day, if you get a job, please inform me saying that, sir, I got a job. That's it. Only one intimation I have to, just I need to get it. And don't go for proxies. Don't go for proxies. And if you need any other support, always I'm welcome. So I'm there till you get a job. And after also getting a job, we are there, we can support you. So I would have trained thousands of people, right? So I knew how the people, are growing now with the proper training and proper, support. So anytime welcome, guys. So this is not the end of the class. So I'll be there till you get the placements and everything. So it is the time to leave. And thank you so much for your support, guys. Okay. So for the August batch, we'll be meeting on October 3rd and with the DAX queries. So next whole week you don't have. So take this time and enjoy your festival of Navaratri and practice equal more and more. Chala. So any questions you have, you're welcome.